Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EEGI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the chart's hanging in there, and I say overall because, yeah, if you're looking at today individually, not the greatest day. I mean, it was by no means a terrible day, but I mean, the price opened up right there, and then eventually, pulled back throughout the course of the day. Granted, though, that the second half of the day was basically a nice little miniature uptrend right there. So that's what I mean. Today wasn't a great day, nothing to brag about, but I mean, it certainly wasn't any sort of a train wreck of a day either. But the point here being that overall, the levels of support that you would want to see hold up are indeed holding up, including this 006 mark here, which was temporarily violated. Yeah, no doubt about that. The price did spend some time down below there, but also to give full credit or credits due, that did not last the entire day. And then by the closing bell, the price was able to get back above there. So good to see that 006, held strong. But I mean, even if it hadn't, not the end of the world, because from the overarching standpoint, the price is still nicely above that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And that's one of those areas where, as long as the price stays above that level, then the overall flow, the overall trend, whatever terminology you want to use, is still fully in the bull's favor. So today, yeah, not the greatest day, but, from an overall standpoint, price still nicely above that purple line, and that's what matters most. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, what I'm actually pretty curious about and what I'm going to do is, now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and bend this area of resistance down, because in my mind, I think it's more about this resistance trend line right here, meaning if the price can work its way up to that area and get a good high volume break of that line, that doesn't guarantee anything, but it does make it, at least in my opinion, a more than valid, a more than rational thought that, yeah, a break of that trend line, especially if it's on high volume, could very well create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure. So you're definitely going to want to keep an eye on that area of resistance moving forward. But all in all, let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.